This is a 2021 Adam 4-horse head-to-head located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. This trailer is loaded. 2021 Adam, 8 foot tall, 7 foot wide, and 33 feet on the floor. It's got a full-size spare. Tires on this trailer are Westlake nitrogen-filled tires. They come with a 2-year roadside assistance and 1-year no questions asked warranty. Bigfoot electric over hydraulic jack. There's a battery in that diamond plated battery box there. Trailer's 33 feet on the floor. That's a 5-foot dressing room. That makes 28 feet in the horse area. We've got an upgraded Dalton dressing room door here. I'll show you that in a second. 4 saddle racks on a post. That post is removable. Tons of bridle hooks. The trailer is insulated in the ceiling throughout. Entire trailer is insulated in the ceiling. Great big nose space there for storage. Five-foot floor. This is not your typical camper door here. This is a Dalton made, a little heavier door than comes standard on that trailer. Trailer's got full length running boards. We put extra windows on this trailer, so 2 on each side is standard. We've got 4 of these large sliding windows on each side. You've got LED lights inside and outside. Well, your running lights are LED, your load lights, your interior lights. Fans, 1 in each corner of the trailer. Again, the ceiling is insulated in this entire trailer. We've got a barred head divider and a slatted body divider there. So you've got lots of airflow going between the horses. Huge windows, fans. We've got 6 pop-up roof vents here, some at the butt of these rear-facing horses, and then a set in the center, and a set at the head of those back horses. There we go. So again, the trailer is 8 foot tall, 7 foot wide, and 28 foot on the horse floor, 5 foot in the dressing room. You've got a 10-foot stall, nose to tail, and an 8-foot center box. Your gates here isolate those straight load horses from your center box horse. Got a bar to go over this escape door in case you've got a horse in there, as well as a bar that goes over the ramp. Trailer is all aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum floor, and aluminum roof. That aluminum roof is insulated and lined. Side ramp here on the curb side of the trailer. Escape door on the street side. Again, 8 tall, 7 wide, 33 feet long. All aluminum, 2021 Adam 4-horse head-to-head. Westlake nitrogen-filled tires on steel wheels. All LED lights, interior, running and load lights. 4 fans, 6 roof vents. This trailer's pretty loaded. If you're interested in worm flooring, we can do that here at Trailer Country LLC. Give us a call with any questions. We have financing available with approved credit and have options for nationwide delivery. 2021 Adam 4-horse head-to-head. Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. Full specs can be seen at trailercountryllc.com.